In this video, you will learn how to use additional plan attributes in Trello using Placker. First, click a card. You will see that Trello provides some attributes such as members, labels, checklists, due dates, and attachments. All of these attributes provide information that is valuable for you to manage your team. But sometimes you need more, and that's when the Placker power-up is very useful. To add more information, click Add Plan Attribute, and you can add not only a due date but also a start date. For example, this card will start December 26th, and you will notice that there is not a planned end attribute. This is because Placker considers the Trello due date as the planned end date for this card. If you have a start date and a due date for the card, the duration will automatically be calculated. You can also add effort, story points as a measure of complexity. You can also compare these estimated story points and the actual story points. You can also add budget, priority, whether it's high, medium, or low, traffic light status. For example, a car that has a big problem could be set as red, and also milestones, for example, sprint 1, sprint 2, or sprint 3. The plan attributes will be shown in your card, but you can also change this in the power-up settings. Another way to view Placker and Trello attributes is by clicking, for example, Board. This will load your board on Placker, and click the card to view the attributes in the right-hand panel. Every time you change an attribute in Placker.com, it will automatically be changed in Trello.com as well. Furthermore, you can click Show Menu and edit Projects by Placker Power-Up if you want some of the attributes to be always shown only when set, which is the default mode, or do not use if you want to disable these attributes.